styles of option. So there are two styles of option. One is American style option and other one is European style option. Let's understand the difference with the help of example. So here I have taken the example of call option to explain these two styles of option. Let's say TCS CA strike is 2000. Now here CA stands for call American. So this is the American style option. Strike price is 2000 and premium is 50. So the buyer paid a premium of rupees 50. And today only spot price of TCS closed at 2100. Now as you can see, this option was purchased today. Strike was 2000 and at the time of closing itself this option is in the money. Spot 2100 is greater than strike 2000. Now here if buyer wish, he can exercise this option today itself. Assuming let's say its expiry is in next week, but I can see today itself this option is in the money. Before expiry this option is in the money. So here buyer can exercise this option today itself as it is closed in the money. So American options are those options which can be exercised any time before expiry if they are in the money. So you can remember like this: A for American option, A for any time. Now let's understand European option. Nifty CE strike is 9000. Here CE stands for call European. So this is the European style option and premium is 100. Today the closing price of underlying is 9300. So just like TCS, I can say Nifty index also expire in the money. Spot 9300 is greater than strike 9000, but buyer cannot exercise this option today itself because it is European options. So European options can be exercised only on expiry. Can be exercised only on expiry. So you can remember like this: E for European option, E for expiry. Though option is in the money before expiry, but buyer cannot exercise European style option before expiry. So this is the difference between these two styles of option. Now let's talk about Indian derivative market. See, in Indian derivative market since 2011 all options are European option. In this example you can see TCS is the underlying stock and Nifty is the underlying index. So in Indian derivative market before 2011 stock options were American options, whereas index options were European option, as you can see in this example. So if it was a stock option, you can exercise any time before expiry, but if you have bought index option, you have to exercise only on expiry. But from 2011 all options in Indian derivative market, whether it is a stock option or whether it is the index option, all options in Indian derivative markets are European style option. So call European and put European. There is no American style option exist now in Indian derivative market.